This is the Portfolio Rubric Guidance for Standard KFLPA2. The student will demonstrate understanding of spoken words, syllables, and sounds. This assessment focuses on E, add or substitute individual sounds in simple one-syllable words to make new words. For levels 0 through 4, the teacher is assessing the student's ability to add or substitute individual sounds in words to make new words. This is a verbal assessment. The student should be able to hear the sounds in the word and be able to manipulate the sounds to create a new word verbally. The student should not have printed letters or words in front of them. For this assessment, the teacher will say a one-syllable word and ask the student to change a sound in the word to make a new word. The teacher is able to choose if they want to assess beginning sounds, middle sounds, or ending sounds. The teacher will assess 5 words. For level 5, however, the teacher should assess a total of 10 words, and it should be a mixture of changing the beginning, middle, and ending sounds in the words to make new words. In the suggested task, it gives examples of how to change the beginning sound, the middle sound, and the ending sound. For levels 6 and 7, this one assesses the aligned first grade standard 1 FL PWR3. For this assessment, the teacher will provide the student with a list of 10 one-syllable words and ask the student to read the words. For level 6, the student will successfully read 10 CVC words. For level 7, the student will successfully read 10 closed syllable words. There is an example list of words listed in the rubric. However, the teacher may choose their own words to assess as long as they follow the standard guidelines and the rubric guidelines. Since levels 0 through 7 are all verbal responses, the required method of evidence collection is a video recording of the student's responses. An answer sheet must be provided if the teacher chooses to assess a word list that is not listed in the rubric. This word list can be uploaded to the context narrative or uploaded with the student work sample. After you have assessed your students and have uploaded the work into the platform, it is time to score the student work. For the student work to score a 0, the student is unable to produce any new words within the 5 scenarios presented to them. For the student work to score a 1, the student is able to produce 1 new word. For the student work to score a 2, the student is able to produce 2 new words. For student work to score a 3, the student is able to create 3 new words. And for a student to score a level 4 on their work, they must produce 5 new words out of the 5 presented. And again, the teacher may choose to assess beginning, middle, or ending sounds to be changed. For a student to score a level 5, the student must be presented with 10 words that is a mixture of changing the beginning sound, the middle sound, or the ending sound. And the student must be able to produce 8 new words. For a student to score a 6 on their work, they must be able to read 10 CVC words. And for the student work to score a 7, they must read 10 closed syllable words. If a student successfully scores a level 6, the teacher does not need to upload evidence of levels 0 through 5. And that's the same for level 7. If a student is able to successfully read 10 closed syllable words, then the teacher does not need to upload evidence that they were able to complete levels 0 through 6.